Hello and welcome to today's speaking practice test. The cue card of the day is describe a time where you enjoyed visiting a member of your family in their home. You should say who you visited and where they lived, why you made this visit, what happened during this visit, and explain what you enjoyed about this visit. Here are some quick tips for you. Remember the past, present, and future rule while making notes before you talk. Don't speak too quickly. Keep talking until the examiner stops you after 2 minutes. One of my favorite memories is when I went to visit my grandparents at their home in the countryside. They lived in a small village surrounded by fields and forests. Their house was cozy with a big garden full of flowers and vegetables. It was far away from the city, but that's what made it special. I wanted to visit my grandparents because I missed them a lot. Also, I needed a break from the busy city life. I wanted to relax and spend time with family. During my visit, I spent a lot of time with my grandparents. My grandma cooked delicious meals every day. She made pies, cakes, and cookies that were so tasty. We ate together and talked about everything. My grandpa told me stories about when he was young. He showed me old photos and shared memories that made me laugh and sometimes cry. We also went for walks in the countryside. We picked flowers, watched birds, and listened to the sounds of nature. It was peaceful and beautiful. Sometimes we played games or worked in the garden. My grandparents taught me how to plant seeds and take care of plants. I enjoyed everything about this visit. Being with my grandparents made me feel loved and happy. I learned a lot from them about life, love, and family. Their house felt like a safe place where I could be myself. I liked the simple life in the countryside. There was no rush or noise, just peace and quiet. Walking in the countryside was another highlight of my visit. It was so beautiful and refreshing. I felt connected to nature and to my grandparents. It was a reminder of the simple joys in life. Part 3 of the IELTS speaking test involves a deeper discussion with the examiner on topics related to the theme introduced in Part 2. It usually lasts around 4 to 5 minutes. This part aims to assess your ability to express and justify opinions, analyze on issues, and engage in more complex conversations. When do families celebrate together in your family? In my family, we typically celebrate together during major holidays like Diwali or Holi. These occasions bring everyone together, and we enjoy sharing meals and creating lasting memories as a family. How often do all generations in the family come together in your country? In my country, it's quite common for all generations of the family to come together during festivals, weddings, and other events. These gatherings are opportunities for family members to celebrate traditions passed down through generations. Why is that some people might not enjoy attending family occasions? Some people might not enjoy attending family occasions due to various reasons, such as uncomfortable dynamics or personal preferences. Additionally, individuals may have busy schedules, making it difficult for them to participate. Do you think it is a good thing for parents to help their children with schoolwork? Yes, I believe it's a good thing for parents to help their children with schoolwork. By assisting with schoolwork, parents can reinforce concepts learned in class, promote academic success, and strengthen the parent-child bond. How important you think it is for families to eat together at least once a day? Eating together as a family at least once a day is incredibly important. It provides an opportunity for family members to connect, communicate, and share their experiences. Do you believe that everyone in a family should share household tasks? Absolutely. I believe that everyone in a family should share household tasks. Distributing chores equitably teaches responsibility, teamwork, and respect for each other's contributions. It also fosters a sense of equality.